My dear friends, I just wished all a very happy Onam. And my dear, today I will tell you one small secret and I'll give you one request. Before that, my hearty greetings to all my Indian viewers. In fact, all over the world. I've got so many over the world, but especially to people from Kerala. And one of the important persons that comes to my mind is Krishna Prasad ji, one of my very old subscribers and very good. He's a tremendous investor, erudite, great balance of mind, perspective, and immense politeness in his speech, behavior, and these are the qualities that I find is very rare in a human being. Whatever I have ever asked him to do, I asked him to do this investment, no questions asked. Faith and patience is the key, and he is a real embodiment of greatness. His sense of purpose, the way he invests, his knowledge, and his commitment, readiness to accept. If he's going wrong, he will accept, but he's a champion investor too. I am proud to have Krishna Prasad ji as one of my subscribers, and greetings to Krishna Prasad ji and his family, to his lovely children, Nilima and Neeraj. Wish you all a very happy Onam. And today I will also make a request. You see, you may think that I made this art of investing premium plus. I keep saying, I'll tell you two secrets today. No, money was never the purpose. I'm seriously telling you. We have some small fees only for our data expenses, and we give it back to society. My main purpose was to spread financial literacy. I'll tell you, the market will go up also, but one big fall will also come. People will be so badly hit. I want to reach people before that happens. Whenever there's a celebration in your house, my request, some wedding, birthday, or some good in your state like Onam, Baisakhi, please tell me possibly 1 or 2 days in advance. From now onwards, I would like to acknowledge and mention you all in my videos. I want this to be an art of investing family. And one thing, a secret I will tell you today. People think that this is only some formulae or whatever. No, my friends. No. There is a lot of intuition and spiritualism involved. Lot things that go beyond. If you do pure, this is not some charts, support, resistance, so simple. No. Every occasion you have, even a difficult time, let us be personally a part of an art of investing family. So if it's a celebration, a marriage, or whatever, feel free to write to me. I will pray for you all personally. Every day I want you all to involve with me, not just for this finance, for money. Definitely I will do a prayer. I will acknowledge in my video. And I want you to be all a part of a larger mission of spreading good. We will build India in a manner, this financial product that we will, you may think it is only prediction. No. Financial loss is the biggest loss that a person can have. I've seen families completely ruined. This knowledge will be, as Modi Saab says, made in India. I have already presented to him once. He told me, you make it in a manner, increase it that now it goes all over the world, and I will be proud. Sunil Kevalramani made something which was for the world. You helped me in my purpose, in my mission. Please spread my videos too. And special thanks to everyone. So whenever there's a celebration, whatever in your family, or do keep reminding me, keep telling me, do be proactive. Very special thanks to Krishna Prasad ji for being such a nice subscriber. I am so thankful. Very nice. I'm so grateful to him. And grateful to all of you all for being a great part. Enjoy Onam and definitely enjoy the delicacies, whichever part of India you are in or whichever part of the world you are in. You will enjoy it, love it. Delicacies are fantastic. Happy Onam. God bless you all. Talk to you soon. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.